Good morning, girls. Today we are going to see set language. Have you all seen the introduction of set language? Yes, let us recall the concept of set language. First one, definition of a set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means we can say that whether the object is an element of the given collection or not. Next one, notation. A set is usually denoted by capital letters. This symbol denotes belongs to and this symbol denotes does not belongs to. Consider an example. A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. These four numbers are the elements of the set A. 2 is an element of A because 2 is present in the set A. Therefore, 2 belongs to the set A. 6 is not an element of A. Not present in the set A. Therefore, 6 does not belong to set A. Next, representation of a set. There are three ways to represent a set. First one is roster form or tabular form. Set A is equal to set of all A, E, I, O, U. So, A, E, I, O, U are vowels of the English alphabet. So, in set builder form or rule form. So, in set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. A is equal to set of all X. The symbol colon denotes such that set of all X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. In descriptive form, set is described in words. A is equal to the set of all vowels in English alphabets. Now, next we are going to see problems based on set language. Exercise number 1.1. Third question. Consider the following sets. A is equal to 0, 3, 5, 8. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 10. And C is equal to 12, 14, 18, 20. State whether true or false. First question, but before that, this symbol denotes belongs to and this symbol denotes does not belong to. Go to the first question. 18 belongs to C. So we have to check 18 is an element of the set C. Yes, 18 is an element of the set C. Therefore, it is true. Second question. 6 does not belong to A. Let me check. 6 is not an element of the set A. Therefore, it is also true. Third question. 14 does not belong to C. But 14 is an element of the set C. Therefore, it is false. Fourth one. 10 belongs to B. We will check. 10 is an element of the set B. Yes, 10 is an element of the set B. Therefore, it is true. Fifth question. 5 belongs to B. 5 is an element of the set B. No, 5 is not an element of the set B. Therefore, it is false. Sixth one. 0 belongs to B. Let me check. 0 is not an element of the set B. Therefore, it is also false. Next, fill in the blanks. First question. 3 belongs to dash. 3 is an element of which sets? A set. 3 is an element in the set A. Therefore, 3 belongs to A. Second question. 14 belongs to dash. 14 is an element of the set C. Therefore, 14 belongs to set C. Third one, 18 dash B. We have to check 18 is an element of the set B or not. 18 is not an element of the set B. Therefore, 18 does not belong to B. Fourth one, 4 dash B. Let me check 4 is an element of the set B or not. 4 is an element of the set B. Therefore, 4 belongs to B. Move on to the next question. 4. Represent the following sets in roster form. A is equal to set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, etc. and also given that less than 20. Therefore, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 because given that less than 20. So, these are the even natural numbers which are less than 20. Thank you. Exercise number 1.1, fifth question. Represent the following sets in set builder form. B is equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. So given that this set is represented in descriptive form, so we can change into set builder form. B is equal to set of all X such that X is an Indian cricket player who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. Second question, C is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. So given that this set is represented in roster form, so we can change into set builder form. See the elements 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. And 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 can be written as 3 plus 1, etc. So therefore, C is equal to set of all X such that X is equal to, see the numerator 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, we write N by denominator 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Next element is 4 plus 1, etc. up to. Therefore, N plus 1, where N belongs to capital N, that is natural number. Next, third question. D is equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. This set is represented in descriptive form. Now, D is equal to set of all X such that X is a Tamil month in a year. Fourth one. E is equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. E is equal to set of all X such that X is an odd whole number less than 9. Sixth question. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. First question. P is equal to January, June, July. These elements are English months, especially starting with letter J. So, P is equal to the set of English months starting with the letter capital J. Second question. Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So clearly these are prime numbers which lies between 5 and 31. Therefore, Q is equal to the set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. Third question, R is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to capital N where x is less than 5. R is equal to the set of natural numbers less than 5. Fourth one, S is equal to set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. S is equal to the set of English consonants. We are completed all the sums in exercise number 1.1. Hope you all understand this exercise. Practice well, girls. Thank you. Exercise number 1.1, fourth question. B is equal to set of all y. The colon denotes such that B is equal to set of all y such that y is equal to 1 by 2n where n belongs to capital N and n less than or is equal to 5. So given that this set is represented in set builder form because y is equal to 1 by 2n, n is less than or is equal to 5. So these are rules. N is the natural number and starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Also n is less than or is equal to 5. So we are taking n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because n is less than or is equal to 5. So the given condition is y is equal to 1 by 2n. If n is equal to 1, so y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Next, n is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Now n is equal to 3. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Then n is equal to 4. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Now put n is equal to 5. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 is equal to 1 by 10. So these are the elements of the set B. Therefore B is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. Next question. C is equal to set of all x such that x is perfect cube where x lies between 27 and 216. So perfect cube. 1 cube is equal to 1. 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to 64. 5 cube is equal to 125. 6 cube is equal to 216. X lies between 27 and 216. So the values are lies between 27 and 216. But these are the elements of the set C. Therefore C is equal to 64, 125. Fourth one, D is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to Z. Z denotes set of integers where -5 less than x less than or equal to 2. See the number line -5, -4, -2 etc. up to +2. So -5 is less than x means we won't consider -5. Taking -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 because x is less than or equal to 2. Therefore we consider 2 also. Therefore D is equal to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Thank you. Good morning girls. Today we are going to see problems in exercise number 1.1. First one, which of the following are sets? The collection of prime numbers up to 100. Collection of prime numbers are well defined. Given that prime numbers up to 100 is also well defined, and hence this collection is a set. Second one, the collection of rich people in India. The word rich is not well defined, and hence this collection is not a set. Third one, the collection of all rivers in India. We are all know the rivers of our country. So this collection is well defined. Therefore, this is a set. Fourth one, the collection of good hockey players. The word good is not well defined. The good is a relative term, and hence this collection is not a set. So move on to the second question. List the set of letters of the following words in roster form. Roster form means listing the elements. How do we represent in roster form? Let us recall. The elements of a set are written within the curly brackets, and their elements are separated by commas. Also, elements of a set are listed only once. So first question, India. Set A is equal to curly brackets open I, N, D, I is repeated. So you just ignore it. Then write A. Close the curly bracket. Second question, parallelogram. B is equal to P, A, R, A is repeated. So write L. Again L is also repeated. So write E. L is again repeated. Then write O. G, R and A are also repeated. Then write M. Third one, Mississippi. C is equal to M, I, S, S is repeated and I also repeated many times. Then write P. Then the next question is for your homework. Do it, girls.